morning. So we are back on the boat this morning. Oh, Saoirse's with us. Hey Saoirse. Hi. She's just sunning herself. I'm full of cold. And we are carrying on. I don't know what we're doing today, Wayne. Hello.
Hello.
Sorry. Go on.
Today we're going to be finishing some bits and pieces off. So there's the drawer boxes to finish off, get the drawers mounted in.
Those.
Get those all done, so we'll do those today. Got some bits of trim to do around the hatch.
Yeah, we've varnished and sanded and painted.
So we can get all those done.
Yeah, we need to put some, what's the name? Expanding foam. Yeah, I can't get my words out.
Easy for you to say.
Not.
Yep, so we'll get all that done. And then I've also got with me as well the sockets.
The sockets.
So there's no reason really why we couldn't pop those on.
Yeah, so we'll crack on and film what we do.
Yeah.
See you in a minute. Bye. To move those out the way. Okay. That's good.
Okay.
Thumbs up. Or not. So Wayne's just going to start on the, what do you call them? Plinth drawers.
Plinth drawers and boxes, yeah. So, what we do, obviously, we've made these boxes up. So what we're going to do now is put the drawer boxes inside, line the runners up and put the screws in. So that they are one piece then. Ready to just pop under the units when it's ready and it's time. Just need the 400 drawer box, please.
Yeah. I need to put this down. I'll just have to reverse.
No, I don't need that.
Oh. Where's she? All snuggy in her bed. There we go. Oh, I can't manage it with one hand. I'll have to put you down. Glamorous assistant.
So, pop that in and just line the front of the drawer up with the front of the box. Just want to be a couple of mil back on each side.
And what clearance have you got under the bottom of it?
So we've used some spaces under the bottom. You probably can't see that.
You can.
I'll see it in a minute.
You can.
We used a 9mm board underneath the bottom. That's just to bring the runners up off the floor. So any floor covering we put down afterwards, the drawer runner will go across the top of it and we'll just scrape it. So let's see how we go. So we'll just slide that open. We'll put one in there. And one in there. That should do. These are the 9mm pieces here. They're only temporary, they'll be removed.
Oh, it's hard work being cameraman. With a cold.
And that's two. Put this back into line. There we go. Just see where that closes up. Yep, that's good.
Is that one done? Oh, you need to see the other ones.
Just keep some
Oh,
lights on
okay.
that
Oh.
one. That'll go one-handed.
Oh my goodness. There you go. There's the hand. Those boards aren't in the way, are they?
the same on the other side. So it's 4 screws each side, so it's nice and tough.
And our kitchen will sit on these.
Yeah, the kitchen unit will sit exactly on the top of this. Yeah, this provides both the base for the unit and the drawer, all in one. It's about 2 uses for every, I think.
Multifunctional. You done?
Just check. And marks. Looks good to me. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Well, so just need to find something just to put across the front of that, just to stop it wibbly wobbling about.
Can you do it again? Wibbly wobbling.
Wibbly wobbly, like that.
Sorry, I was filming the drawer, not you wibbly wobbling. What's about that? Can you not use that? There you go. Yeah, I know.
It will stick up.
And will these stay on while we're fitting the kitchen?
The front bits?
Yeah.
Yeah, just while we're getting the units lined up and everything else. Obviously when it comes time to put the drawers on, then it will be different. Screws.
It's a hard life.
I've got a hard life.
Yeah, that's true.
Hard work.
I'm not hard work. So this one will go under the 400
Sink.
drawer set.
Sorry, yes, under the drawer set. You are right.
Oh, gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Oh.
Check. 400 exactly.
Right, is that one done?
That one is now done.
Okay, we will carry on with the rest of them then.
Really?
Wayne, what are you doing?
Right, so what we're doing is just going to pop these sockets on. It's just another job we can get out of the way. Tightens up some of the cabling.
Would you get damaged?
Hopefully not.
Okay.
They're tucked under the gunnels, so they're fairly well protected in either way.
Because that is one thing we've come to realise, is that you don't really want to finish anything off in case it gets damaged. So I'm fighting that way.
It's just a it's a game, because obviously you've got to cut through the outer sheath, but you don't want to cut the cables. So you just have to put it enough so you can snap the plastic away.
Wiggle it.
There we go.
Bless her, she's fast asleep in her bed. She's so beautiful.
That's now Saoirse World.
Yeah.
Well and truly claimed.
You're talking to yourself again?
Yes, I am, sorry.
Sign of madness.
Yeah, I always do this.
What does that do?
What?
That tool you're
It's
using?
a stripper.
Oh.
You take the end of the cable like that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Put this in, and however far you want to put it in. You can set a gauge there if you want to. And then you just squeeze.
Oh, okay.
And it just pulls the outer off without damaging the cable. Right, so these are going to have to go together, aren't they?
So I'll step back and then I'll get more of a picture.
Yeah.
Is that you?
No,
Pinking?
it's my phone.
Oh. That's alright.
Okay, need to strip a bit more on that.
Is that on each one?
There, that's the one.
What does that one do?
So this tool puts a crimp on the end.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
There's a little square in the middle, and as you squeeze it gets smaller and smaller until it clicks.
Cool.
Now we've got that, trim the end off. Just have to trim a little bit more off these.
Wayne started sneezing too, so I think we've almost caught the cold together.
Yeah,
A day after each other.
that's about standard.
Oh.
So it just crimps onto the cable. Like that. Nice little square crimp. And that's that. You just trim the end off.
Sorry, I can't hold my hand still. Sorry, I'm looking in the face then. Just do them all together.
Yep. All together.
Is that because they're linked to the next one?
Yeah. So this cable comes from that end of the boat, comes through, loops into this one, goes out to the next one.
Did you get any with USBs on or not?
No.
In the end, are we
No.
not? Are we having the USBs separate then?
Yeah, the USB is separate on the 12 volt system.
Why? Why is that?
Well, because otherwise you've got to run an inverter to plug your phone into a phone socket to charge a 5 volt device. Just seems silly.
Okay.
So the easiest thing to do is go straight from 12 to 5, and you're not running the inverter, because the inverter costs power to run. It takes power out your batteries just to be able to be switched on.
Right. Okay. Yeah, I guess so.
So
Oh, if only I had a tripod.
what it broke. go. So it starts off round like that. It clips it square. And that's now ready. I need a plug socket, please.
Okay. Oh.
Let's do that as well.
Okay. Oh, I can't do anything. Yes, I am. Oh, I can't make a screwdriver. That's not a very good one. That was better. Oh, let's see. What did we go for?
So these are the ones we've gone for. They're like a, it's like a dark chrome or dark nickel, I think we call it.
Yeah, we just decided that they'd sort of go with everything. We did consider just black, but we decided in the end.
Problem with black is it stand out too much, whereas this is just kind of a little bit muted. Just need some light. Live and pop these in. As you tighten these down, it further crushes on this ferrule and puts a little dimple in it. So now that can't come out.
It's okay, Sushi. Hello, sweetie. Can you hear the wind? She doesn't like the wind. No, I think it's the wind. Hopefully I'll get my washing dry. There's no metal back box. This is plastic, so there's no need to put the extra earth in from the socket front to the back box. Are they all like that these days?
Yeah. All like what? What do you mean?
Are they all plastic?
No, they're not all plastic. Still use metal ones. But if you do use metal ones, you've got to earth it to the front. So now that all just tucks in. All like that. I just need to find the screws. Make sure it's away from the screws.
Look,
Got the fingerprints on it.
very nice. Right, we will get on and do the other 3 there, I think. Yeah.
4. So it's 4 altogether.
Yeah.
Sorry, the extra 3.
Right, we'll get on with that. See you in a minute.
Right.
Can she actually be comfy keeping her head up all the time?
I don't know,
Me neither.
but she seems okay.
She's a happy little girl.
No ideal.
So we're finished for today. We have put, sorry,
Yes. Hello.
we've done the 4 sockets
In
there. We have done those bits. We've done a bit of sanding, so tomorrow we can do the rest
Yep.
of some more painting and that one as
Stop swinging
well.
it around, make
Sorry.
people dizzy.
And we have sort of cleared everything out in preparation for the kitchen.
Operation Kitchen.
Yeah. So we might put the lights in first, just so then Wayne's not having to
Yeah,
hang over.
it's kind of at the moment just trying to get little bits and pieces done and out of the way, just so that
Just makes it easier.
yeah, it's more jobs off the list,
Yeah. Tick, tick, tick.
and we're kind of on a little bit of a hold while we're waiting for the kitchen.
Yeah.
So we can get some of these little bits and pieces done and
Done
out of
and
the way,
out the way.
and yeah, it's all got to get done eventually.
Yeah. So thank you for watching this week, and we shall see you next time. Yeah.
Please
Cheers.
consider a little thumbs up, maybe a subscribe. That'd be really
Yeah.
nice.
Even a comment, please.
Or,
Just
yeah, comment. Yeah.
yeah,
leave
please
the
put a
comments.
comment. So, right, thanks so much. Sorry, I'm full of cold today. Okay, bye.
Bye.
So she says,
Say bye, Saoirse.
bye.